Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. And if you're old, if you're an older subscriber, you've been watching all my videos, thank you for coming back. Now, I am going to start this video off raggedy, like I always do, because that's just how I am. But I am going to teach you guys how to glow for the summer. So we're about to be glowing up in here for the summer. I'm going to teach you from my beginning steps to my end steps involving just my skin just alone, like how I prep my skin to be all glowy under my makeup. And then I'm going to show you my makeup routine to make my glow still look good. We're not going after a huge crazy slay because I can't have too much eyeshadow on my eyelid right now because it's still healing from a particular incident from my cat. But yeah, stay tuned for the video. And yeah, okay, so I know what you're thinking. You're like, ew, what is that on her face? Her face looks dirty. It's not, I promise you. I did just wash it before I put this on. If you guys have been watching my videos before, I have I way back, probably like months ago. I don't even remember when. But I will leave the link of the video in the description box below. But I exfoliate my skin first because I notice a complete difference from before I exfoliate my skin and after I exfoliate my skin. My skin just looks so much better, and it's already, and the glow is already just naturally just beaming through. So what I use is my Freeman Polishing Charcoal and Black Sugar Gel Mask plus Scrub. This is very inexpensive. I bought it from Walmart for like $3.99. It's super easy to use. You basically apply the mask on your face, you leave it on for 10 minutes, and you wash it off. And after that, I get into the fun part. Alright, so I've already took off the exfoliant. I am nice and moisturized. You can already see like kind of the natural glow too because I moisturized and I toned my veins. So I've been waiting to like do this for like a long time. So I got this as a free sample when I bought this. So I finally purchased my Becca First Light Primer Filter Instant Complexion Refresh. They gave me a sample too. They were like, when you buy it, you get a free sample. So I was like, okay, I think I'm gonna empty the sample first before I break open the bottle. So just to read a little things about the Becca primer, why I rave about it so much. It says, fix the 5 signs of bad face day: fatigue, dullness, dehydration, puffiness, and fine lines. And then it says its key ingredients is prickly pear flower that quenches and revives sodium hydronate. I can't pronounce that. But it says it hydrates and plumps, and then they use crystal technology and spring water to create a pure, healthy glow. And then it says a blue Flamico, cool, light, and smooths and even skin tone. So, two of those things I had small trouble pronouncing, but I think that's why my skin be looking really good after I put on this primer. So I'm gonna just go ahead and crack this open, but it is a pump when you get the full one. This is 1 fluid ounce, which is 30 milliliters, and then this is 0.2 fluid ounce, which is 6 milliliters. So I'm gonna just go ahead and knock this boy out. see it's all rubbed in. You already see what it just did to my face. Like, do you see my face? Like, what? What? You see that glow? All right, I'm done. But another good primer, if you watch my almost all NYX products, is this Honey Do Me Up. This one is awesome too. It has little gold flecks in them. I like this primer too. This is something I'll probably use if I'm like trying to not use all of my Becca. Because Becca is 38, this is 16, so you know we gotta level it on out. My next favorite product to use is my Infallible Pro Glow. I'm going after all glowy things right now. I'm trying to be glowy. I want to be glowy for real. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. This does have SPF in it. It's SPF 15. It says it is for a radiant finish. It's for normal to dry skin, and it's hydrating. And that's usually what I try to look for in foundations. I know people are thinking it's about to be summertime, we can't be pro glowing around here. But if you have dry skin, like I said once again, it's better to have a hydrating foundation than a non-hydrating foundation. So I'm gonna just go ahead and dab it on my face. Dab it on my face. Okay, so we're back. We are done buffing in the foundation. I know my face is still looking like kind of a little crazy, but that is okay. The next thing I am going to go in with is my ultimate favorite, which is my LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm going to take a break from my Makeup Revolution just because it's more matte than I like my concealer to be. I like my concealer to be super creamy like, and I just wanted to use this because I haven't used it in a while and I like using up my makeup before it expires. So I'm gonna just go ahead and highlight my normal area. And then next I'm going to take my Luxury Banana Powder. I am only going to use a tiny bit of this because I noticed like a lot of the powders do tend to take away the healthy glow that I try to achieve sometimes. So I'm just gonna put a tiny amount on my blending sponge, and then I'm gonna just go under, and I'm not gonna let it bake. I'm just gonna pat it in until it looks smooth. I'm gonna just go in with my favorite pressed powder, which is the Black Radiance. I kind of like to use this as a bronzer slash, sorry, gotta pat that brush off. I like to use this as a bronzer and just sometimes to take away if my skin looks slightly ghosty. You guys know what I mean. I'm gonna just go in with that, just mostly in like my areas where I'm gonna probably Alright, and then I am going to go ahead and contour my nose just a tiny bit. Now I am just going to go, ooh, I'm picking up the wrong palette. I'm just going to go in with my NYX On The Go palette, just in that contour shade, just to give my nose a little bit of Okay, so far so good. We're still doing okay. And then the thing I'm probably gonna go off camera in a second just to do is I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes off camera, and then I'm going to come back and show you how I really glow up with the highlight. All right, give me one moment, you guys. Okay, you guys, welcome back. I finished my eyes. I went after a nice little reddish with a little tinge of brown. I did use my Morphe palette, the 3502 palette, Second Nature, right here for you in your face. So I wanted to finish off the main course of the meal for you guys on camera for you. All right. So I couldn't find my blush, but I had got an idea. I was like, oh, let me use this Makeup Revolution palette right here, and yeah, this pretty little color right there, right here. I am going to use that. This is how it looks on my pinky. That's a really nice color right there, isn't it, you guys? That's a pretty color. I am going to go in with my favorite little palette that has my favorite little highlights in it. Thank you, it's my Ray Ray. It's by BH Cosmetics. Look at those three, like, I'm gonna keep hyping this up because I love it. But of course my favorite blush is the Radiance. I said blush, I mean highlight, you guys. I'm just over here messing it up. But my favorite highlight is the Radiant right here in the middle. It's a rose gold. I cannot get enough of rose gold. Oh my god. I'm gonna dip a little bit in Moonlight just to play with them back and forth and see how that works out though. And then just slightly just brush it back. Ooh. I'm gonna just blend that out with my hand though, cause your girl go a little ham on it. We just want a little highlight right there. We're gonna get the tip of the nose and then the bridge of the nose. Ooh. Then just get that brow right there. If your brow's not glowing, what you doing? What are you doing? Make sure you guys are blending out the edges of the highlight, because I'm seeing some of my fellow makeup lovers out here fooling. I was like, gosh, is that how I be looking? I also want a little shimmer on my lips, not just the top of it. Okay, and then I am going to line my lips, so you know that is my favorite part. I'm going to go ahead and use my Club Hopper by NYX, and then just line my lips, and then I'm going to put my gloss on it that's not over here. So I gotta go get that. Alright, you guys, I am back. I got my gloss from NYX. This is called, I don't want to say praline. I think it's praline, but we just gonna move forward. And then just to finish. Guys, I'm not done yet. You know, I gotta spray my face down. Okay, this is my finished look. Nice and glowy and natural and just not too much. I can low-key go out right now. Or I can wait and go out tonight and keep the same makeup on, you know. This is super fun and super easy for the summer. And I know this is also a fave. This will also be a fave for my girls who still like wearing dark lipstick and like the summertime. Like, it's just not meant for fall, you guys. It's all year round for us. Thanks for watching my channel, you guys. I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and of course, subscribe to my channel so you guys can see some more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye.